Hello mga Connexis! It's TGIS! I hope all of you are doing fine. Of course, nandito na naman tayo kasama ang Kwelang Barkada. Hi naman kayo dyan!
Hello, hello, hello!
Mm-hmm.
Mga Connexi!
Ay, di ba ang saya-saya?
Guess who's taas ng energy natin. Wala mo ba si tataas dyan?
Parang kulang si siesta.
Actually, yung intro nga, parang nasa deal or no deal ako. Yung mga briefcases.
Ano yung pangalan nun?
Charmaine.
Buksan na yan! Taas ng ng energy Oh, it's a Saturday, kaya ang saya, di ba? So, how was your week, guys?
Well, it went well.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, as usual, work. Twerk.
Twerk. Party harder. May tawag din, di ba? Work harder. Play
work
harder.
hard, play
Work hard,
harder.
play harder.
Ayun, di ba? Harder talaga. Yun yung pinaka-the best word dun harder. Di ba?
Laban mo yan.
Kasi nga, matatapang tayo eh.
Naman.
So,
Ano bang harder na yan? Hindi ko gets.
Kasi nga, sinasabi nga nila, di ba? Hardworking ka. So you play hard, di ba?
Harder.
Oo. Of course, harder, di ba? Naku, dahil baka saan tayo umabot nito. Kaya nga, di ba? So how about you, Renz? How's your week?
Oh, my week is okay. Pretty same. Busy
Routine.
work. And then, well, usually Friday night you go out. And then lasing. And then, yes.
Same. Taray. Yeah. How about you, Dre?
I maximize my weekend since Friday.
Oh.
You know, I met you guys last Friday and we had a catch up
That's right.
with one of our friends na galing sa Pilipinas. Hello, Aiza.
Hello, Aiza.
Yeah, thank you for the dinner
Thank
last
you.
Friday.
It
Thank
was
you
a
for
lovely
the
dinner.
Yes,
longganisa,
yes.
chorizo, mga yan,
I
diba?
miss them.
Si Lechon. Si
Yeah.
Lechon.
Ang pasalubong galing Pinas.
Correct. Yan ang masaya, di ba? Pag may mga friends tayong galing from Pinas and coming back here sa Dubai, di ba? Check talaga yan. How about you, Siler? How's your week? Ako na to, di ba?
Gusto ko yan. Ano mo ay sa
wait.
mo, please?
Kamusta ka naman, Siler? How's your weekend?
May weekend, yun nga, ang saya. Saya-saya.
Ayaw naman, masaya talaga yan.
Di ba? After,
Si
Same lang yan.
Siler.
Same lang yan kasi magkakasama naman tayo.
Kaya nga,
diba?
alam ko na masaya siya.
Kasi nakita-kita tayo, kaya masaya ako. Let's stop it that way.
No,
Let's
hindi,
stick to that. Laglaga na ba? Yun na nga. Basta ang importante dito, as long as masaya kayo.
Oo
Di ba?
naman.
Yun ang importante. Lalo na sa mga connexes natin nakikinig ngayon. We're back for another season. Bigger, better, braver, wilder, and funnier.
Oh,
Pushing the
wow!
boundaries.
Pasok yan.
Di ba?
Pushing
Diba?
the
Ang daming
Grabe yung
hash.
line na yan, no? Napaka
Correct, napaka-iconic, di ba?
Yeah.
Wow.
Na-miss niyo ba si Josh? Dahil
Oo nga, wala si Josh and then si Max.
Ay, asan
si
ba
Max.
siya?
Namiss ko na sila kasi ang tagal ko na hindi nakakasama sa podcast.
Akala ko nandito siya today.
Wala. Get well soon. Kasi
Oo,
may
get
sakit
well
siya.
soon.
Get well soon, Josh.
So
Chika.
we'll see them again on the next podcast.
Yeah, very
diba?
soon.
Surely.
Kaya
Yes,
kasama ko na sila.
So, yun na nga. So, mayroon tayong new segment which is under Ren's segment. And what the segment is called? Ren's Tea for the Day. So,
Wow.
yeah. So,
Wow,
you
what's
have
the
the floor
tea?
now, Renz.
Akalain mo yun, umabot ako sa may sarili na akong segment.
Give us the tea.
Mga Connexis,
Correct.
di ba?
You deserve it.
Correct.
Oh, thank you so much mga Connexis sa
Deserve.
walang sabang pagsuporta.
Gazor.
Oh, yan nga. So, ang aking segment today is Ren's Tea. What's the tea for the day?
Yes.
Ayan.
Okay.
Juicy.
I want to share
Yan.
something because definitely people can feel it na lumalamig na ang hangin. And then ang ating mga bulsa ay sumisikip. Buti ang
Season
bulsa.
na nasikipan.
Buti ang bulsa sumisikip. Ayan
True.
na.
At least may sumisikip,
Nakaka-relate
diba?
pa kayo mga Connexis. Alam niyo yan, Pasko
Oo,
na.
Pasko na.
Oh my God.
Ito talaga yung buwan na ayaw na sana nating marating.
O mga
Skip na lang natin to.
OFW, as a OFW, alam niyo yan.
Oo.
Ano tayo dyan? Ambivalence, double feeling tayo. Masaya at the same time. Oh my God,
Masakit
crisis.
ang bulsa,
Yeah, exactly.
diba?
Yeah, so ayun nga, yung mga Connexis kayo, anong may share nyo about sa mga, sa mga Pasko?
Caroling.
Caroling.
Caroling, yan. Naalala
Anong tagal
ko yan.
ng caroling?
Hala.
Ano nga Tagalog nun? Nangaharana. Hindi. Ano ba?
Namamasko.
Oo, namamasko. Tama ba?
Namamasko,
Hindi,
diba?
namamasko is like
Anong sabi mo?
caroling. Caroling is like singing.
Oo, anong Tagalog ng
Oo,
caroling?
hindi ba namamasko?
O sa mga connections natin, ano po?
Anong English ng mamasko?
Comment kayo, di ba?
Yeah,
Kung ano
oh my
po
God.
yun.
Mas yun na yun.
Oh, di ba nahirapan pa tayo bigla?
Google.
Napaisip, di ba? Caroling, yun na yun.
Yeah,
yun ang
caroling.
naalala ko. Munita-munito. Di ba?
Exchange gift. Okay, Ambag-ambag kayo dyan.
Ambag.
Pag makinig
Sa
lang.
aking kainan, syempre, nandiyan na naman ang star ng Pasko, ang queso de bola.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yes.
Yung mga
ang mga
malalafang.
hamonado na lafang to the highest
Yan yung mga
level.
kesa di bola hamuan, mga hindi naman ginagalaw during the Christmas.
Naman.
Hindi ginagalaw.
Yung parang
Display.
bibilin mo kasi Christmas, i-display.
Exactly. Yeah.
Kasi papaswerte. Meron meron tayong belief na ganun di ba?
Ikaw naman, Dre, what's your tea?
Ako, sa Pasko, parang nasa-stress ako kay mama ko.
Iba.
It was very stressful nga yan, sabi ko
Pero
sa'yo,
masaya din
for
naman.
OFW.
Oo, kasi sa amin, puntahan sa bahay sa Christmas.
Sa may mansion
kayo,
nyo.
kayo
Hindi
palang
naman.
puntahan ng bayan,
Oo,
di ba?
Oh my goodness. So, parang okay naman sa akin, kaso parang hindi na iniisip ni mama yung book.
Parang
Yun.
engrandeng
Uy, mama, baka bukas wala ka nang kainin na.
Hindi,
Grand
yung ihanda sa Pasko, hanggang New Year naman
Hanggang New Year na yun.
No, separate yun sa amin.
Okay, so
Christmas
ibang
is for
yun.
Christmas.
Bongga.
Walang leftover na titira, as in wash out lahat?
Ay, wala.
My
Usually
God.
nagwa-wash out yan after ng few days after.
Sa New Year, possible. Pero pag Christmas sa amin, no.
Naglalast pa yan ng ilang days
Yun nga kasi
di ba?
sabi ko sa inyo, ang granding handa ng Christmas and then naglalast pa siya 3 to 4 days. Yun ang hapunan, tanghalian nyo.
Tama.
Di ba? At masasawa ka na.
Painit ng painit.
Correct.
True.
My
Lalo na
God.
yung queso di bola, ang sarap niyan. Lalo na pag may tasty bread.
Oo.
Ay, nako.
At saka pag ipiprito mo siya ulit.
No. Ay, nako, yan yung mga nakakamiss. May mga stress.
May question ako. Do you have any dish na during Christmas na dapat kailangan matry ko yon? Dapat may handa ako
Every
nun.
Christmas?
Ganyan, during
Sa
Christmas.
amin.
Nakakaiba.
Oo, meron kami.
Na hindi mo pa nakakain sa inyo?
Sa family
No.
namin.
Like, for example, Christmas. Ako, for example, sa Christmas, definitely dapat yung barbecue ng mom ko.
Oo.
It's always gonna be
like a
served.
very traditional Christmas
sa
dish.
family household nyo.
Oo, meron.
Ano ba
Oh,
siya?
ano namang i-share nyo?
Ay, sorry. I think na-share ko na to before, yung Hawaiian pork namin.
Ay,
Ay,
yung
shala.
own, ano
Yeah.
niya, own dressing ba yun? Own sauce? Paano ginagawa?
specialty ni Mama.
Specialty.
Yes.
That's nice.
Sa
Okay
amin,
naman.
lumpiang Shanghai.
Lumpiang Shanghai, it's very good.
Diba?
Kanya-kanya din kasing take yun ng lumpiang
Diba?
Shanghai. Yeah, for sure. Ikaw naman,
Ako,
Cyber.
yung dessert ng mom ko, yung lagi kong ginagawa ko na rin siya ngayon. Yung mango float.
Oh, yeah.
We call it in our house, freezer cake.
Yeah.
Freezer cake. Yan tawag namin
Freezer
sa
cake,
bahay.
saan parang refrigerated cake ang tawag?
Diba?
Oo, diba? Yeah.
Oo.
Siya yung freezer.
Cake.
Ano saan refrigerated cake?
May freezer.
Yeah.
Kasi nga
Ngayon
siya
ko lang
sa
na rin na freezer cake.
Kasi gusto ko yung parang, yung cream niya, di ba? Yung may cream yun, di ba? Na parang naglalasa siyang
Na-absorb.
ice cream. Tapos
Oh my
with
gosh.
the graham, di ba yun? Graham.
Inshallah. Gram. Spell. Spell.
Uy, ang tawag ko dati doon, Graham. Di ba?
Graham.
Oh, Graham pala siya.
For the gram.
For the gram.
Ilang gram ba yan?
Ewan ko. Ilang kg, di ba? Di ba? Yan para sa'yo. So, yun na nga. Yun ang
Ren's Tea for the day.
Ay, Naps,
Wow,
congratulations
grabe.
for your own segment. Okay, next week, don't forget, yung hintayin natin ang segment ni Dre. Have a nice Dre. O, tama. Wait natin yan. Wait natin kung anong niya.
TBC.
Oo, it's your time to shine,
Or
di ba?
TBC or TBD.
Tangyong. Ayun, diba? Ako, so nagsarili na ako ng ko, diba?
Sound
Ng
effect.
Sound
May
effect,
sound
diba?
effect.
Human sound effect, diba? Tangyong. Okay. So, guys, question ko sa inyo for today's podcast topic. Mukha ba kayong pera?
Oo. Walang masama. Why not?
Walang masama. Kasi that's the reason why we're here sa, diba, outside the country. To earn money.
Hindi, kahit
diba?
hindi ka sa out of the country. Talagang lahat mukhang pera.
Mukhang pera talaga. Kahit sa Pinas pa lang.
O
diba?
sino bang
Wag
hindi
ako, wag
tatanggi sa
kami.
pera?
Pero I mean, how does it matter to you, yung pera? Going back nung mga bata pa tayo, yung experience nyo when kayong nagkaroon ng pera sa kamay nyo, kailan kayo nagkaroon ng freedom na gumastos? Kung anong naalala nyo? When? Anong edad kayo nag-start na humawak ng pera? Yung nga, bibigyan kayo ng baon, di ba? Usually nung elementary.
Well, definitely pa nagsimula ka ng bigyan ng allowance, then definitely you will have your own, what they call this, like maneuver with your expenses. But then, ako naalala ko as early as mga siguro mga 4, kasi yung uutusan ka pero kailangan,
May kapalit.
kapalit, dos,
Ay,
ganyan,
oo.
mga ganyan.
Pag
yung
uutusan
yung
kang
change,
ano.
no?
Pag uutusan ka, kunin mo yung ganito, no, bigyan mo muna ako ng 1 peso, yung mga ganyan, 2, 5.
Yan.
Naalala ko pa yung father ko before, nagpapakamot ng likod, then okay, bigyan mo
ka.
akong 10.
At saka yung
Yan, mga ganyan.
yung bubunot ka ng
Yung-
white
oo.
hair.
Yes, exactly.
diba?
Di ba very common sa
Tapos
Pilipino yan?
bilangin
Nanay ko,
kung
ano,
ilan.
Kilikili.
Kilikili, nanay ko. Oh.
Yan, di ba? Start na mabigyan ka ng... Diyan,
Pera.
ang tawag dyan is like a token economy. Diyan nag-i-start yung, okay, you did something for
Oy.
someone and then bibigyan ka ng reward.
Di ba ganyan si Renz? Marami siyang mga ganyan.
Of course.
Trivia, di
Actually,
ba?
napaka-common
Ano
yan
trivia?
sa
Grabe sa
during young age.
Di ba? So, totoo yan. Kasi ako naman,
Oo.
nanay ko, nagpapabunot siya sa akin ng kilikili. Yung yung
Kilikili
buhok sa
talaga.
kilikili. Oo, tsaka nakakatulog siya dyan. Nakakatulog
Yeah,
siya.
exactly.
Tapos ang kapalit niya, syempre, bigyan kanya ng something na pera, ganyan, di ba? Or sabihin niya, okay, sige, bigyan kita ng 10 pesos, mamaya bumili ka ng merienda. Yung mga ganon.
Gray hair.
May ganyan
mga
tayo. Ganyan culture yan, no? It's cultural thing, di ba? Sa ating mga Pinoy.
Yes.
How about you, Renz?
Parang similar din kay
Josh. Dre. Si Josh. Ikaw kawag sino mo tinatawag ko today. Si Dre. Dre.
Yeah, parang ganun nga. Similar kay Renzi na story.
Ganun din.
Nung mga, nung,
Papalitan ng
when I was
exchange.
kid.
Mm-mm.
Kid. You are kid. Hey, hey.
Nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo, di ba?
Ano ba? Nag-boy lang naman ako.
Hindi ka pa nga nakakalahati.
Ikaw ang kalahati, di ba?
No, when I was a
na.
kid. Nabisaya kasi doon.
Naunsa naman ako
Alam,
nung
Bisaya.
Ayun, so yun na nga.
Yun din yun.
Ganun
Tapos,
din.
yung lolo namin, mahilig magpakamot sa likod.
Yeah,
Grabe.
di ba?
May yung lolo ko, naalala ko tuloy. Yung likod niya, ang dami.
Dry skin.
Dry skin.
yeah.
Kaya itchy. After that, binibigyan na kami ng 5 piso.
Pero
ganon.
syempre, di mo pwedeng lait-laitin yan. Tito mo yun, di ba?
Lolo ko.
Lolo mo pala.
Pero,
oh.
my God, hello, bata pa. So,
Anong mali mo sa dry skin? Di ba?
Di ba? Nakakaloka. How about you, Jay?
Nakakaloka. Sa akin, the same with Renzi and Dre. Pero meron din akong experience like, because yung grandmother ko kung saan ako lumaki, may canteen kami. So, alam mo yung kumbaga parang nagiging cashier ka. Pinapabantay ka ng
pinapabantay ka.
ng drawer ng ng kaha. Oo, yung kaha.
Showcase ka, Jay.
So, oo. So,
yung kaha niya, yan, parang lalagyanan ng biskwit dati. Doon lalagay ibang pera,
at
di
saka
ba?
yung drawer pa drawer lang. Oo, tapos papabantay ka
Sususiin lang,
pag aalis yung yung lola ko.
Oo.
Sino magbabantay ng kaha.
Oo.
Minsan
Pang break
ako
time.
yung natutoka na. Doon ako natuto na humawak ng
Ng
ng pera in a sense.
In a way kasi that time bata pa tayo. Tapos hindi natin pera yun eh. Pera ng lola or sino man. Tapos nakikita mong bilang-bilang,
Oo,
di ba?
at saka-
Parang naglalaro-laro lang tayo, di
At saka
ba?
yung pag may bumibili sa canteen, tapos kailangan magpapachange ka. O syempre, yung mga mathematical skills.
Correct,
Na-
diba? Na pa-practice.
Na-enhance,
oo.
na-practice. So, doon ako may encounter about the first encounter sa finance.
First encounter na nag-budget kayo.
Oh, wow.
Na nagbabudget na kayo ng pera. First encounter.
Ako na naman. Ako na naman.
Ilaban mo
Kahit
yan.
sinong
Ganun
always
na-
ako na
always
ganun daw yung
una.
sequence.
Ganun yung sequence.
Oo,
talaga.
sequence.
Ako I think when I was young, magaling ako sa pera kasi pag binibigyan ako ng allowance ng mom ko, I remember before, meron akong, what do you call that? Yung piggy bank.
Oo.
May ganun ako. Tapos, I always save. Kasi minsan pag may pagkakain ka naman sa bahay, may breakfast, tapos yung duration naman ng school time is very short. Kasi sa school namin before, umuwi kami ng lunch. So, umuwi ako, kain din ako sa bahay. So, hindi ko rin yung tawag nito, yung baon ko. So, naisisave ko siya. Tapos, I'll buy something for myself. Parang naalala ko nung 500, 1,000, sobrang huge na yung amount na yun. Tapos I'll buy something. I'll buy something after end of the month or maybe after 3 months, ganyan. Or pag napuno na yung piggy bank. Then na yun.
Yun na yun.
Na namin.
Diba? Nakakatuwang balikan, diba?
Exactly.
How about you, Jay?
That's really nice, no? At an early age, know how to save.
Kasi nga,
Because, yes.
kasi nga, I think unconsciously that time, meron tayong may sarili tayong yung parang hindi lang natin alam, napapansin na meron na tayong naiisip na okay, saan ko gagawin, saan ko ilalagay itong pera na to in our small way, 'di ba? Yeah, how about you?
Yeah,
Jay?
for me, because I think I mentioned to you, Zyler, na lumaki kasi ako sa grandmother ko with all my cousins. So, I think we're not in a very, like, I'm not coming from a wealthy family, let's say. So, hindi siya, like, for example, bibigyan ako ng baon. There was never an excess. Like, Renzi is so fortunate that at an early age, nakapag-save siya. But for me, like, most of the time, na minsan kailangan mo bumili ng something for school. Minsan, gipit ka pa. Alam mo yun, yung ganun.
Sakto lang kasi.
Oo, sakto lang. So, that experience taught me na yung high school na ako kasi kailangan kung ano ibibigay sa akin, kailangan marunong akong ilaan sa tamang
budget.
mag-budget talaga. Kasi otherwise, at the end of the day, ako yung sana kukuha ng extra.
Diba?
So, yung high school kasi is a very competitive high school. So, ang daming requirements. So, dun talaga ako natuto na, okay, kailangan ibabudget ko pa yung pamasahe ko. Tapos ibabudget ko pa yung mga print na kung ano
Buti
sa
ka
school.
working student din.
Fortunately, hindi naman ako na-force na to be on that stage na mag-working student. It was just really na wala talagang excess in a sense na...
Just enough.
Oo, just super enough na flexible pa ba yung budget. Walang ganong opportunity. So, doon pa lang nung high school ako, natuto na akong mag-budget na para hindi ako lugi. Naiyak na lang ako na paano ko ba ito gagawin?
May i-share pala ako mabilisan lang.
Okay,
Alam mo
go.
ba kung bakit ako nag-save din before? Kasi syempre ang ate mo, kloseta pa noon.
Okay.
Kloseta pa ang ate mo noon. So gusto ko ng mga Barbie. Ang mahal ng mga Barbie. Oo. So syempre hindi tinotolerate ng parents ko. Tapos
mahal yun
bumibili ako ng Barbie.
Yeah.
Naalala ko mga 1K something yun, yung mga high-end ng mga Barbie.
Ay, yung
Kasi yung
Mattel.
Mattel.
Yeah, kasi pag yung mga cheap na Barbie, hindi maganda yung hair.
Oo, at saka
Angelina,
hindi
Diba?
naka-fold.
Baklang-bakla ang ate mo talaga. Naalala ko, yan yung mga binibili ko noon na pinag-savean ko talaga. Pinag-savean ko na yung mga high-end na mga Barbie. Tapos tinatago ko siya sa mom and dad ko. Pero yung mom ko, anong tawag nito? Anong tawag doon? Pakialamera. Makikita niya sa mga cabinet kahit tinatago ko. Ayan. So, yun yung mga motivation ko noon before.
Something that you really like. Oo. How about you, Dre?
Huh?
So,
Sure.
paano ka nag-start mag-budget ng money that time? Nung
On my
bata-bata ka?
own,
Oo, on your
after
own.
I graduated, kasi
Yun na talaga.
during my schooling, like even college, same as with Jay, na
Friends.
we just have like enough. There's no excess. So, and minsan nga naglalakad ako from our house to our university.
Sila nakatipid.
Ganon
Wala
kami
kang sundo.
basic.
Kawawa ka naman.
No, kasi parating sira yung sasakyan namin. Kaya so, I decided to walk para naman makita ko yung mga normal people. Love it. Kasi naman, palagi ko Mercedes that
Mercedes.
time.
Oh my God.
So, ano bang klaseng life sa outside world?
So, ano to?
No, just kidding. Yun
Ano
nga.
talaga siya, di ba?
Kailangan down to earth ka
Down to
daw.
earth.
Oh, kasi
As in-
pag tumingin ka lang sa salamin, sa window ng sasakyan mo, ang taray mo na. Di ba?
Pinanganak siya ng with a silver spoon.
Oo.
Di ba?
Pero
In her-
opposite
in-
yan.
In her mouth. Silver spoon ba?
Silver platter.
Or silver swan?
Hindi ba
Pigilan mo yan, Tyler.
Sorry naman.
No, kidding aside, yun. But I started saving or managing my money when I started working after I graduated kasi I work in Cebu on my own. So, I started to be independent at the same time when I work. So, yun nag-start. Pero before that, I was so dependent. So, it's not mine. So, I cannot tell that,
So, walang motivation or anything like
no,
that?
it's just a basic,
Basic
normal
lang.
life. My parents will give me money.
You spend it kung ano yung...
Tapos
ano.
pag kulang, okay lang na humika again, ganon.
Oo, pero I'm not asking too much kasi I know naman our situation before. And hindi naman ako yung kasi may mga estudyante dati or during our younger years na alam mo, you really have to do something para mabilong ka sa
Peer
mga
pressure.
groups.
Peer
Parang
pressure.
ganon. Ako wala akong ganon. But kung
That's
ano
good.
lang ang requirements sa school, that's what I was asking for. Kasi I know na wala kaming ganon.
Okay, at least hindi ka
Yeah.
hindi kayong parang bata na nagtatantrum na porket wala ka nito,
Hindi ka pa
nag-attitude.
ambisyosa.
Oo, di ba kasi marami ako
Hindi pa siya ambisyosa.
sa mga ganong age,
Ay, no,
di ba?
no, no.
Ang
Ako
daming
ambisyosa.
mga
Ako yung
ganon.
mga nasa mga mean girl group ako.
ikaw pala ang
Yung bag
Georgina.
ko, yung stroller, tapos may yaya, may sundo.
Ayun.
Kami yun.
That's
Group
small.
namin yun. Group namin yun. Sorry, guys.
Yun ang buhay
Siya
ni
pala si
Ren.
Georgina.
Ba't hindi nakita dati? Ano ba?
Eh, nasa mababang paaralan ka.
Sana naman umakyat ka sa stairs dahil
Pero bakit naman ako may
Correct.
ilang level yun
No, we're just kidding here, okay, guys?
Mga ka-Nexis, ito nga, POV lang naman natin to. And we're looking back, di ba? Kung
But
ano
I
yung
think we also have the same experiences, like because we are not born in the same
Oo, language. We
classes
don't have
of
a language.
families,
Yes.
di ba? May mga iba na they also just had enough or even they don't have
Yeah.
anything.
Na lesser pa,
Oo,
di ba?
So,
We're lucky. We're
Oh, we're
lucky.
lucky, yeah,
We're
we're
lucky to have this
Definitely.
kind of life when we were younger. Ako naman, ang ano ko dito, ang bag
sorry
ko
ka pala.
dito. Oh, andito po ako.
Okay, Siler, ikaw.
Ako.
Ano yung first, yung experience
First
mo?
experience ko was in high school na ako na yun nga, binibigyan ko ng baon. So, nagtitipid ako talaga. Yun nga, ginagawa nyo. Hindi ako kumakain sa canteen sa school. Since yung bahay ng lola ko is just a walk away from school, pumupunta ako sa lola ko. Tapos,
Actually,
syempre,
umuwi ako.
ha?
Pwede na mo ba sa school?
Oo, pag ano.
Really?
High school. This was high school. Pwede.
High school.
High school, not
Sa amin,
elementary.
hindi pwedeng lumabas pag ganyan, pag
Sa
break
amin
time
din,
lang.
hindi sa high school.
Lumabas pa
hindi.
na talaga, no?
Hindi.
Grabe!
Lumabas pa naman kayo, no?
Hoy, private ako. Private
Oh my
yun.
God.
O private
Okay,
yun kasi
sorry,
nasara nung
sorry.
gate.
Oo, sa the gate.
Hindi kasi may gate.
Yes, tas malaki pang
Oo.
gate nila nun
Tsaka ano siya, private siya kasi no ID, no entry.
Entry.
Di ba?
May ID na pala, no?
Oo, may
True.
ID noon, di ba? So, kaya, may ID talaga. Maniwala
Ano
kayo.
yung sir? Sa amin, retina scanning lang.
Wow, anong year ba yan? Para masyado ng high-tech
Nung yung
yan,
amin,
ha?
naalala ko biometrics sa amin.
Ang biometrics, wow, yayaman. Yayaman eh. Nakakaloka kayo, ha?
Sa amin, aura lang. Pag naramdaman
Ganda,
ng gate yung aura mo, nag-open.
Tayo malayo ka pa lang, ano? Naramdam na yung aura mo. Kakaiba yan, ha? Ay, umiinit na yung aura ko. Umiinit na
Alam niyo ba yung sa mga ngayon, sa mga entrance ng mga building here dito sa Dubai? Kaya hindi na sila makapansin mo, hindi na sila naghihingi ng MSID pag kasi yung camera
aura.
nila may face detection na.
Sa
Pag
lift,
palagi kang hindi yung entrance ng mga building. Pag
okay.
palagi ka na sa may building, tingnan mo, hindi ka na hinaharang kasi may face detection yun. Pag new ka na sa may building, nag-a-alarm sa may CCTV nila yun. Saka, doon ka hihinga ng ID. O, di ba bongga na ngayon?
Bongga pala. Kaya pala, yung mga ano dito, yung mga mumurahin, char. Hindi, yung mga yung mga, I think, in-implement na nila yan. Hindi lang natin alam. Ako naman, I don't bother, thinking about that. Lagi pa rin akong, yung lalapit sa reception, security, this is my ID, this is my number, mga ganun.
So anyway, going back to your,
Oo, sa
Experience.
topic natin, di ba?
Sa experience mo.
Sa experience ko, yun na nga.
Saan tayo napunta?
Naiiwan yung, pag naiiwan yung mga ko, naiipon ko, bibili ako ng cassette tape. Every Friday. And motivation is I like music. Nakikinig ako sa mga radio station instead of magre-record ka manually sa yung sound system nyo. Bili na lang ako ng
Ng real one.
Oo, ng cassette, di ba?
Naalala ko rin yan, yung uso yung yung song lyrics. Ano ba yun? Yung
Song hits.
song
Song
hits.
hits.
Yeah. Yun
Diba?
din yung isang binibili ko before.
Diba? So, naalala niya yung ganun, diba? So, ganun ginagawa ko. So, every week, meron akong naiisip na nabibilhin ko na soundtrack ng movie or kung ano yung sinong banda that time, Eraserheads or whatever. Yun. And that time, 100 pesos
Best life.
ang
Savage Garden.
Oo, di ba? Yan, 100 pesos siya ang naiipon ko every week. Di ba?
Bongga.
So yun na, since yun na nga, punta na tayo sa future. Yun na nga, after natin, ito yung time na nag-start tayo kung paano tayo mag-manage ng money, di ba? So let's go to the time na kumikita na tayo ng pera. Alright. How you handle your monthly income. You want, fast forward to 20 years after. O yun na nga, which is ito na nga,
20 years.
nag-work na tayo.
Like,
Sa inyo pala, sorry, 10 years, ganyan, 10 years after, di ba? How about you, Jay? Paano?
now.
Paano ka how do you handle your monthly income?
Honestly, nung first time ko na mag-abroad, and then you have your first salary na masyadong malaki, and then you'll be overwhelmed na, oh my God, nag-earn na ako ng
You have your
ganitong
own
money.
money.
Oo. From the very beginning, honestly, wala akong budgeting skills in a way.
Okay.
Because as I mentioned earlier that
So wala kang budgeting skills. So how do you
Nung
do the
first.
budgeting? Ganon.
nung
Paano?
first, so when I
Describe
mentioned,
mo.
I mentioned earlier na I didn't grow up from a wealthy or a wealthy family. So parang
Parang di
yung
halata ha. Charles lang.
well, thank you. Pero kaya nung nagkaroon na ako ng sarili kong income, parang nilavish ko siya in a way na sinatisfy ko yung
Inner child.
ko na
You deserve it.
exactly na parang, oh my God, these things, I never had this before, and now I'm working and I'm earning this much. I already have this
So you deserve it.
capability to buy this, and so from siguro mga first and second years or ganyan, 2 years na wala talaga akong budgeting skills kasi nung time na yun nasa Qatar pa ako
How do you
nag-work.
live by? I
Kasi,
mean, di ba?
Nung nasa Qatar ako nag-work, may accommodation, tapos may transportation, and so wala talaga akong worry. At saka nandun yung mom ko. So,
magkasama
oo.
kayo.
So, hindi kami magkasama sa bahay.
Okay.
But whenever I need something maybe or whatever,
Malapit siya.
nandyan lang siya. But then again, now, fast forward na nandito na ako sa Dubai, iba na yung budgeting
skills mo.
Kasi syempre, na siya, parang kumbaga aligned na siya sa lifestyle and all.
And you're on your
Oo,
own.
and also like, of course, your income and your priorities as well. So, from the very beginning when I came here to Dubai, ganun pa rin yung parang, iba kasi yung Qatar setting sa Dubai setting. So, nung dumating ako dito, parang, oh my God, it's an open city, ganyan. So, ang dami kong na-meet ng mga friends, party. And then, I also rented a room in a good area in the marina from the very beginning. So, I mean, the cost of living was a bit high. But it's also aligned sa
Kung ano kinikita
income.
mo.
Yes. But at the same time, wala pa rin akong very concrete savings at that time. And then fast forward like after 4 years. Oh my God. Actually, after the pandemic, during the pandemic when you realize like, oh my God, Doon na mag-hit na, how much did I save from the last years?
Oo.
Alam mo yun, kung ano pa ba, kung, for example, anong mangyari after the pandemic, hindi ka prepared financially because, you did not realize that you need it.
It's a surprise for everyone.
Exactly.
Parang lahat naman tayo napaisip din di ba, financially
Oo.
that time.
So at that time, I restructured my finances and I re-strategized. So, yun, I really put in my mind na dapat yung cost of living ko monthly is not way above how much I earn monthly as well. So, yun, ang budget style ko talaga is all of my fixed costs, pag dumating yung sahod ko, all of my fixed costs are agad.
Agad na. Oo.
Agad na
Inaano mo na
deducted
yun.
na siya sa
Na-assign mo
budget.
na.
Oo, para alam ko exactly kung magkano talaga yung masasave ko this month or do I have like extra expenses? Like if I have to go to travel or I want to travel or I have to buy this specific thing, blah, blah, blah. So, yun. Ganun yung budgeting style ko. But, I really make sure na meron akong savings.
Oo. Kumbaga, yun nga, lilista, mga ganyan.
yes,
Oo. Uunahin
yes.
mo kung ano yung mga utility,
Yes.
yung mga bills na
The fixed
kailangan
cost
o fixed,
talaga,
on a
every
monthly
month.
basis.
Oo, like
yung sobra,
rent.
yun yung tatabi mo for anything, whatever. Di ba?
Yes, yes,
Padalaman or on your own reason or your own, gastos, di ba? How about you, Dre? Paano yung monthly, how you handle your monthly income ngayon, moving forward ngayong panahon na to?
Parang wala naman akong ganyang factor sa akin kasi naka-company combination naman ako.
Diba? Ang sarap.
Yun yung mga
So,
advantages.
parang
Libre lahat.
less worries. We have cafeteria, we have transportation, I have my room. Hindi talaga nagbabudget pero iniisip ko yung mga upcoming expenses ko.
Okay. So let's say, ito yung amount dumating sa'yo ngayon. Hindi ka naglilista whatsoever. Walang ganun.
Kina-calculate lang siya. Let's say magpapadala ko sa Pilipinas. Okay. Yun lang yun. Then the rest binabawas
bahala.
ko from my savings. Then after nun, bahala na. Bahala na after. But
Okay.
hindi naman ako yung taong gasto ng
But do you feel na mas marami ka na save because of your situation
Yes.
right now? Oh, of course.
Diba? Because
Because
it's
of the,
free
benefits,
accommodation. Oo.
Kasi lahat yun.
It's a big factor.
Factor, oo.
Kasi honestly dito sa Dubai, the really most expensive thing that you will pay for is your
Splurges na
rent.
accommodation.
Yes,
Rent.
rent.
Oo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yun yung
Accommodation.
Kaya kapag nakikita ko nga kayo, so paano ba? Kailangan siguro may more than 10,000 a month. Should be.
If you want to have a really comfortable
Comfortable, you know.
But of
Yeah.
course, sa mga connexes na nakikinig dyan, depende talaga to kung ano yung how is your income, all of
Yes.
those, diba? It makes a difference, diba?
Yes. Priorities.
Priorities
Your
also,
priorities,
diba?
yes.
I think, lalo na yung mga bago pa ngayon na nandito sa Dubai or whatever country is that, tayo dumadaan sa ganito. And I think this is also a good way na pinag-uusapan natin para at
Yes.
ma-share natin sa kanila kung ano yung mga experiences natin. How
Pero
about your...
let me just insert something. Pag lalo na yung ibang connections na nakikinig ngayon, if you are new to Dubai, just don't stop yourself to enjoy kasi that's normal. Then a later part, once you experience that, you can start saving it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just don't, because
True.
after all, you will gonna regret it if you don't enjoy yourself while you have means, kumbaga.
Oh, I mean, yun na nga. So, depende pa rin to kung ano yung klase ng field nandun sila, di ba?
Of course, of
Yes.
course.
Oo.
Ako kasi, opposite yung point of view ko kay Dre na
Sige,
ganyan.
paano yung sa'yo?
Ako, actually, I realized now, di ba parang sabi ko sa'yo na nag-uusap tayo prior to this podcast, parang sabi ko, I don't have anything like to give like input in this term of like topic. But then I realized just now, like hearing their thoughts, ako pala is medyo very organized pala ako sa expenses ko.
Alam ko, kaya ako
Very
nga
organized
inaano
pala
kita
ako sa
for this
expenses ko.
podcast di ba?
Kasi ako nag-e-excel ako eh. Nag-e-excel.
Oh my God,
ako.
meron ako niyan.
Ako nag-e-excel.
Kaya sabi ko
Nag-e-excel
sa kanya,
ako.
this is a good topic di ba?
I
Yeah,
see.
kasi ano ako eh, kumbaga parang yung monthly expenses ko is hindi ko naman to nakuha basta-basta lang. Kumbaga parang ganun. Kumbaga parang yung process ng pagstay ko dito sa Dubai is nag-start ako ng small. And then na-realize ko rin just now na I'm very smart in terms of like in spending my money because by the time that I have means already, hindi ako tulad ng sinabi ni Dre na nag-enjoy kaagad. Ako ay invested on something that I will have fruit of my labor eventually.
Okay.
Tulad for
Inisip mo
example,
na agad yung bigger picture.
exactly. Tulad before na nag-start ako dito, when I started like gaining much more income, I invested on my education.
That would be
I
fine.
invested on my education.
Important.
Yeah.
Kasi, yun sa future ko is, nilook forward ko na, ito yung in-aim kong position and I need to back it up with my education. And then, makukuha ko yung ganitong certain salary. May may perspective and point of view na ako in future. And then, thank God, nakuha ko naman din siya ngayon.
Wow.
And then,
Congratulations.
doon ko ngayon ini-enjoy yung mga excess expenses ko. But still, yun nga, sabi ko sa'yo, may Excel, sheet ako na
Yeah, it's the same with me.
with Jay. Lahat ng mga fixed expenses ko is nandun. Tapos, yung extra, kakatihin ako na ay, may extra ako for today month.
Diba?
Yeah, for
Nakakatawa.
me,
Yung
yeah,
papakita mo
ganyan.
yun na
So,
may extra.
Or
So,
alam ko din
papaano?
alam ko yung fixed income ko eh. Alam ko yung fixed income ko na alam ko na for example, may 4,000 akong excess income.
Ang sarap isipin nun, di ba? And you can buy anything you want,
Yes,
di ba?
exactly. Pero kasi minsan may mga random na may brunch, may
Yes,
birthday, may
yes.
gift, ganyan. So, nawawala yung 4,000, yung mga ganyan, or 5,000 to be like, example lang ng certain amount. Then, minsan wala namang ganun. So, makikita mo, ay, may excess 4,000. So, I need to buy something for
Oh,
myself.
you deserve it. Oo.
Parang ganun.
Doon nagkikick in yung natin.
Parang na-oblige mong sarili mo na I have to use this. Parang
Yeah,
ganon.
ganyan. Kasi ako is hard worker kasi ako na parang doon nawawala yung burnout ko na parang
Oo.
when I buy something, like not only buy something,
Achievement eh.
we're talking about luxury here, bitch. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, alam mo yan. So that's something that reward
Name
for
them.
myself. So yun, pag may nabibili akong luxury things for myself is, I
It
feel like
makes you
nawawala
happy
yung,
as well.
nawawala yung burnout ko and at the same time. And then, in terms of like saving, sabihin nyo naman, wala naman some savings. So ako, meron akong what they call this like limit for my savings. For example, ito yung certain limit ko na hindi dapat to
Magalaw.
bumaba or hindi dapat tumaas for this year. And then next year, pag na-maintain ko yung limit ng ano ko na yon, ng savings ko na yon, itataas ko ulit yon. Ganun ako mag-save. Na-accomplish sa akin yan na, for example, let's say, for example, this year, nakasave ako ng, for example lang naman ha, hindi ko sinasabing meron ako mamaya.
Okay.
Mamaya
Baka may mangutang.
kayo, di ba? So, for example,
Baka naman.
nung nag-start
May 3,000 ka ba dyan?
nung nag-start na ako na medyo okay na yung finances ko is like, for example, nag-start ako ng 15,000. Then the following year, with all the expenses and then lifestyle that I have, yung 15,000 na yan, dapat hindi yan bababa or by the end of the year. The next year, dapat tataas ko yan ng 25 or 30. So parang ganun yung ano ko, ganun yung scheme ko. Ganun yung scheme ko sa expenses. So parang 'di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo wala akong may ambag, pero marami
Meron
pala
ka.
akong may ambag dito in fairness.
Ikaw unang pumasok sa isip ko kasi magaling siya sa number, sa pag-ano. Yun yung pagkakilala ko kay Renz. Yun na nga, so that's motivation. So how about you, Ajay, how do you motivate? Siya kasi ganun yung motivation niya eh. So motivation na tayo ngayon. So,
yes. Like, honestly, I think I mentioned this to you earlier when we were talking in the car, that, our lives, we have like seasons. So, for example, as I shared na yung first few years ko dito sa Dubai, I'm partying, buying all these material things for me to feel satisfied and all. And then after the pandemic, I realized like, wala pala ako masyadong savings. Paano na to?
Ipasok ko lang pala yan. Ako baliktad pala ako nung pandemic.
paano?
Alam mo nung pandemic, after pandemic, dun ako nag-start na mag-splurge ng out of control.
Okay.
Kasi doon ko na-realize na maraming taong namamatay ng, ngayon, nasa na ang savings mo? Hindi ka matutulungan ng savings mo. Doon ako nag-start na mag-out of control ng savings ko pala. May-share ko lang.
Yeah. I think for me, it was like more on, of course, I'm looking forward that I will be healthy and I will be still having a lot of years, thank God.
Yeah, inshallah.
So I was thinking na, God forbid, sana hindi na mangyari yung ganung
Correct.
time.
Ganung
Kasi
sitwasyon,
it was really tough. But at the same time, if ever we don't know what lies ahead, that it will come, at least prepared na ako financially because I learned from this situation. So starting from that, I was feeling like, I really need to save. So that the other season of my life began like, I need to save something. And then another season after that, like I went for comfortability kasi single na ako. So like yung salary ko. Yung salary ko, although kasi mas maganda ka yung may partner ka kasi share kayo sa sa rent eh.
Of the expenses.
Sa expenses. Pero kasi
Iba yung story ni Renz dyan.
pero nung naging single ako, I have to be very mindful with everything, and my priority from that moment and till now is my comfort, like the comfortability.
Of course.
So even though like I came back here now, diba, I was working remotely before, and then I came back, I accepted a very good job with a very good offer. And although tumaas yung sahod ko, but at the same time, tumaas din yung priority ko sa comfort ko. So
Lifestyle.
Exactly. But before, if I was like, okay, I'm fine sharing a room with another person and then we pay together. Ngayon, parang as I also add age and grow older.
Matured,
I feel like, okay, I wanted my own
Privacy,
my
definitely.
privacy and my peace. So although tumaas yung sahod ko, napunta naman yung allocation nun sa comfortability. So now I'm trying to like budget and strategize again, like as Renzi said
Balik
that.
ulit. Back to basics.
Yung parang kumbaga, ganun din ako yung Excel file ko. Kailangan nakikita ko kung anong mga expenses ko every month. Kasi the next season of my life when it comes to my finances naman is when I see that I have a surplus of my money, I will now go naman sa investments.
Okay.
So, I mean, I already have my current investments, pero hindi pa siya yung bonggang-bongga na I feel like I have a return in 5 years.
But at least you're getting there.
Yes. So, ganon. My motivation now is comfortability, security, and also like I am still I'm not single, but I'm not married, but I am really looking forward to have a family. So I'm thinking like, if this is like my perspective and my mindset, in the future, if I'll be having my family, then I am secured, you know? I'll be ready.
Prioritizing
Yes.
what's
Yun
important
yun
for you,
talaga
for your
yung,
future.
I have a
motivation.
question. But don't you feel like you're a woman? So like, is it like the guy responsibility to have like, to give you comfort?
Oh, that's very controversial because as I grew up like independently, alam mo naman tayo ngayon.
Kasi yan ang big debate ngayon na dapat pag lalaki, babae, 50-50. Yan ang big debate ngayon na parang 50. Tama bang 50-50 or not?
Yeah.
Diba?
Well, traditionally, based on our culture,
based sa
syempre,
culture natin,
yung
dapat
man
ganon.
talaga yung ang
Leading.
Oo, siya yung provider. Diba?
Oo.
The father or the husband is always a provider. But of course, you can't, you need to also consider where is the woman coming from. Like, for example, me, I'm a very independent person because I grew up with my grandmother and I came from a broken family, and then I really like what was this? Kumbaga, itinaguyod ko yung sarili
sarili
ko.
mo.
Oo, ganon
And
yung...
I mean, you build yourself, diba?
Exactly.
I think you reward yourself, and I think it is not bad that you should ask something for yourself. It's not bad na gawin mo to para sa sarili mo, diba?
So, for me, I don't have anything against women who's saying that, oh, the man should provide. Maybe that's how they feel and they grew up and based on their experience. But for me, parang alam mo yun, parang hindi ko rin kaya na idepende ko yung sarili ko sa man, thinking that I can do it by myself. Correct. And I have the money and I have the capability. So for me, it doesn't matter 50-60 whatever. If for example my future husband, hopefully Lord God, if
Provide.
when he will tell me like, okay, Jay, you don't need to provide or to give money or okay, but then again, thank God I have this option that I can freely give. You know?
True.
So that's also fine with me.
That's good that you do have that kind of thinking and you have the wisdom and you do have like yung ano mo talaga as a person, 'di ba? Kung ano yung perspective mo in life, 'di ba?
Yes.
And ito nga, hindi naman lahat 'di ba? Hindi ito para sa lahat, 'di ba? It depends on the person, and we're not, we're not here to generalizing this one.
Yeah.
So yun yung motivation, 'di ba? How about you, Dre? What's your motivation when it comes to like for you to see yourself na para to save money? Anong motivation mo?
I'm just gonna make it simple.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Contestant
No, kasi
number
Simplihan
69.
mo yan.
I have experienced nothing, zero.
Okay.
So, since I started working, I made sure na meron talaga akong fund
Okay.
sa account ko. Kasi kung sino man nakikinig ngayon, it's really hard for you to have zero balance. So, make sure that
So, umabot ka na sa ganon,
Yes.
sa bottom talaga.
Oh, yes.
Yung, ang tawag doon, rock bottom. So,
So,
paano yung naramdaman mo
kasi,
yun?
ako kasi
Yung
yung
wala ka talaga makitang pera sa account mo, yung ganon, zero. Magbigay ka ng
you know
story.
me, like parang pag may gusto ko, kukunin ko.
Okay.
May moment kasi ako na
Dubai na yan, Dubai na yan. Okay,
bili,
okay.
Yeah, Dubai. Bili lang ako ng bili until session. Parang, ang bilis maubos yung pera ko sa account.
Okay.
So sabi ko, parang mali ito. Then, I realized, okay. So what I did, I revised it. So I control myself on buying some things na parang hindi naman siya really important. Although parang once siya.
Yeah, unnecessary.
Yes. Although parang
pupunta ka ng IKEA.
It's a pleasure ba na okay, you're working anyhow. So it's your benefit, right? Pero I realized na hindi pala dapat ganon. Control yourself also on spending. Kasi at the end of the day, pag mawalan ka, no one could help you, only you. So, yun ang na-realize ko.
Yes, true.
Yeah.
Lalo na pag away from the family and you're the one like
Yes.
outside
And
the country.
even I have someone like to lean on, like even I have my sister.
But you shouldn't,
That's
diba?
actually my question. Like, don't you feel like if you have someone to lean on, especially your family can
Yun.
afford to help you, then
No, that's why I never do that to myself, even if I have a sister.
But then,
I never do that to her na,
Yeah,
peramin mo muna ako kasi
Same.
wala na akong
So,
extra
hindi
dito.
nangyari yun?
No,
Hindi
I never
nangyari
do
yun?
that. Kasi,
Okay.
definitely she will get mad at me. So, why did you, bakit may inubos
Where
yung
did you
pera
put your
mo?
money?
Ganon. Then, magkano lang binibigay, yung kapatid ko pa naman, magkano binibigay mo kay mama?
very calculative.
May question na
Oo,
ganon.
parang ganon. So, paano mo naubos ang pera mo? Ganon.
You're such a good son.
So hindi ko binother yung kapatid ko in terms of my financial
Oo.
eme.
Oo, kung ano man yung ano.
Yes, kung ano man ang
nangyayari.
naging burden ko dito, hindi niya alam.
Okay.
So I had it on my own lang. Then I found a way. Buti na lang as I mentioned, I'm living on my company accommodation. So when
Sagot na yun, no? Wala na
so
kami.
wala na akong so far
Walang problema.
hindi ako nag-iisip ng
That's-
food, transportation or anything. As long as I can eat that day or any day,
Natutulugan.
then I'm okay.
Comfortable naman,
Yes,
diba?
comfortable naman. Fully secure. Yung security pa sa amin ang super
Ayaw pa namin,
strict.
ayaw pa na security na papasok.
ayun lang. That's what how I realize
Motivate.
on spending.
So,
you know.
motivation mo talaga.
Yes.
Ayaw
Right.
maging burden sa ibang tao,
Yeah,
di ba?
and naranasan ko talaga yung maging zero. So, ayoko na mangyari yun. Kaya,
Ako naman.
akala ko ba short yun? Pag tumahumama.
True nga ba?
Short nga, di ba?
How about you, Siler?
Yes,
Oo
it's my
nga.
turn. I'm
No, ikaw-
Siler.
ikaw
I'm
naman.
contestant number 69, Char. Yun lang. So ako naman, ang motivation ko naman, nung time na nag-start ako dito sa Dubai, my main motivation is, yun na nga, may matirang pera sa pocket ko. Oo, given na yon family. Kailangan monthly
You support
basis.
your family as
support
well.
the family, di ba? And then, lalo pang naging, parang lalong sa mind ko, nag-instill sa mind ko na that you have to work on for yourself and you have to do this because kung hindi, saan tayo pupulutin, di ba? I mean, yes, we do have savings, same as what Jay said earlier. Meron naman akong kahit pa
Huhugot.
paano may mahuhugot pero hindi siya kasing laki. Hindi siya yung, di ba, yung parang millions of money na ganyan. And thankful and grateful naman ako kasi, di ba, all throughout these years, meron natitira. Di ba? May natitira. May mga moment lang talaga in life na parang napapaisip ka na parang lalo na pag iniisip mo yung future mo, di ba? So mapapaisip ka talaga na
It
ka na
comes
lang.
with age din, I think.
Di ba? Na parang minsan to nagka-cramming ka na, tama ba? Ito mga ganong bagay. So, but that's another topic, di ba? So, yun ang motivation ko, family that time. And then, second would be myself. But the important thing is, kailangan may matira. May makita ako, kailangan matira kahit papaano. Kasi, para pag may nakita kang kahit papaano natitira dyan, ay, okay, safe pa ako. Di ba? And, yun na nga, same as what you just mentioned earlier, I also do yung budgeting about like writing it down in ako, since na ngayon digital na, sa phone, sa note, di ba? Reminder, ito yung monthly na expenses. So whatever amount that's left, yun na yun, para sa akin na yun. And kung sakaling meron mang akong gustong bilhin, doon ko siya huhugutin. Di ba? So yun.
Ay, ipasok ko lang na sa yung sinabi mo na kailangan may matira. You know what? Before I even realized that I really need to secure my savings, I also was in zero. Dumating din ako sa panahon na yung the first or second years dito sa Dubai when I was splurging my money na, oh my God, saan ko nilagay yung pera
Yeah,
ko?
diba? Parang
Wala nang
lumipad na
natira.
lang.
Oo,
Nang basta-basta.
tapos
Pero alam mo, when you go to zero and then sanay ka na, you never get scared. Because ako, ilang beses na ako na zero, pero I always go back. Ngayon, alam mo yun?
Paano? Paano
Sa
mo
akin,
ginagawa
yun? Parang kumbaga nung nangyari yun. I mean, there are times as well na pag may mga expenses ka na surprise expenses
Exactly.
na wake up call yun sa akin nung first talaga, yung splurging time. Parang, oh my God, hindi ko minanage yung finances ko well. But now, yung pag for example, nagagalaw ko yung savings ko just because it's important that I pay this or whatever, and then I go to zero, I'm like, oh my God, next time I need to adjust the spending so that I won't be in this situation. Kasi meron akong time na yung savings ko talaga, ginamit ko siya for
As in
me to survive.
fully?
Oo.
Hanggang
To survive.
nag-zero talaga siya. Oh.
I think it was, I don't know if...
Nakatakot yung ganun, ano? Natatakot ba kayo? Ito siya, hindi siya
Ako
natakot
hindi, I never get scared with that because I've been there like several times and I bounce back. So,
yeah,
that's
yeah, true. Like, you know, if you're a person you're very resourceful and you exactly know how to use
Exactly.
your skills and you know and you're clever, you're smart to how would I do this? You
To
know?
work around it,
exactly.
diba?
You even if you go negative, meron ka pa rin talagang
actually
paraan.
not zero, like I'm negative.
Yeah, negative. If you go negative, meron ka rin I know what to do. Really. And when you go out of the situation, oh, thank God.
Exactly. That's what I always said.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
thank God. I was
Thank
still
God.
able to
Yeah,
manage.
yeah.
Even nag-negative na ako.
Yun na nga, it's also important na iniisip natin yung positive side of it, di ba? And
And you don't dwell on it.
Oo,
Kasi you need
don't
to do
dwell on
something
it.
about
True.
it.
True. Hindi kayo nakastuck ka lang dyan na wala kang
Exactly.
ginagawa, di ba? You have to do something about it, di ba?
I mean, mga ka-Nexis, there are some people na, alam mo yun, when you are in a situation when you feel so helpless. Some of the people, magko-complain pa magko-complain pa, and you feel so sorry about yourself. But yes, you can feel sorry about yourself, but you really need to do something about it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And most especially sa environment na ginagalawan natin, Dubai is an expensive place, di ba?
Yeah.
So what's your opinion about it? Budget versus the your surrounding, di ba? How do you live your life with it, with knowing the fact that here in Dubai is the lifestyle, with the expenses that you're gonna get here once that you live here, once you work here. What's your opinion about that, Renz?
Ako, like just what I said earlier, ako naman yung katulad ng sinabi ni Jay kanina, yun nga, sinabi nga ng go to like negative, diba? So siguro one thing that Dubai teach me is to be like, be very flexible. And then fast face talaga. Yun yung matuturo sa ng Dubai na nothing is like permanent here in Dubai. You can be like you are on the top now, then tomorrow you'll be in the bottom. So yun yung naturo sa akin ng Dubai, to be honest, because before I used to work in the Philippines, like the longer you stay in the company, the better, right? But then
Yeah.
Long
here
tenure.
That's
but
the
here
old
in Dubai,
school way, di ba?
yeah, but here in Dubai, you need to like keep moving
True.
in
True yan.
order to like to improve, in order to like to have better income, and at the same time, like moving forward with that comes with risks. So
Yes.
you never know. It's like a trial and error. You never know if like the offer is gonna be too good, but then it's gonna be like poisonous. You know what I mean? So each company have their own poison. So pick your own poison. So yun yung nag-aano sa akin. And in terms of like lifestyle naman here in Dubai, I think I deserve it. Yeah, I deserve it.
I mean, all of us here,
Yeah.
we came
Parang
here
napahinga
for
ka
a
dun.
reason, di ba?
Yeah, because
We came
I
here
don't
for a
wanna
reason.
sugarcoat. I deserve it. Like parang my lifestyle right now, I deserve it, and at the same time,
Of
I work hard.
course.
I work hard for it.
Yes.
Hindi ko naman to nakuha ng ganun lang kadali, and then so I will pamper myself. But then definitely I don't. Sometimes maybe I go over the board, but then still, like I've said, I know how to be like in the negative, and I know how to bounce back. So.
Yeah. That's
Yun
true.
yung ano ko lang din doon. Sa in lifestyle, it always depends on the person. May mga tao naman kasi na they're very simple. May mga tao naman na very extravagant. And then, whatever it is, do what makes you happy.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yun
sure.
yung
Yeah.
pinaka, and,
Huwag na kayo magsalita.
reason.
Tapos na tayo. Next question.
Hindi pwede.
So yun na nga. So whatever it is na nga, I mean, it's all up to you kung how you manage it, 'di ba? Even though
Yes.
napaka-expensive ng natin ng lugar na pinag-stayan natin resourcefulness.
Yes.
Resourcefulness and how you manage the money that you have right now. How about you,
Yeah.
Jay?
I mean, for me, that's right. What Renzi said about income, like salary-wise. In the Philippines, we're used to long tenures. You know, the longer that you stay in the company, you feel like the longer you are rewarded. But ngayon, it's a different kind of
Ball game.
trend. Oo, na parang, from my experience, for example, I did not stay very long in a company. Like the first company that I was in Dubai, I mean, let's say it was 3 years, I think, going 4 years. And then I felt like, okay, hindi na ako nag-grow sa company and all. And I feel like I have an opportunity to, look for another job that will give me more money. And then that's also one of my thing. Before I changed my company, before I applied to another company, nag-invest din ako on myself to get another certification. So I got an international certification before I even applied. So that when I got my job in the next company, my salary was, from my previous salary, it went up like 170% at that time. And I'm like, oh my God, okay, this is good. But then again, of course, like meron ding mga personal matters. I resigned from that company because my first, my German ex-boyfriend, when we traveled.
German
That-
sausage.
Yeah, of course. So dun ko nagamit actually yung savings ko. Buti na lang may
Kasi
savings
malang
ako.
German sausage
Oo
na.
naman,
diba?
quality
Diyos ko,
yun.
kulang mo
Of
yan,
course.
diba? Nakakaloka.
Kung saan-saan pa nakarating with the German sausage. And then
Okay.
when I looked for another job, it was the remote one. Bumalik ako ulit like from
All I
Kumbaga,
thought,
oo.
ganyan ang life mo eh. All I thought, yun na yung magiging life mo eh, di ba? Tapos ngayon biglang
Tapos,
balik ka ulit dito.
nagkaroon ako ng offer dito sa Dubai. Actually, I wasn't expecting that they will offer me that salary. When I was having my final interview, I just mentioned them what I was already getting when I'm on site dito. And then I actually prayed like, okay nga, whatever. If babalik talaga ako sa Dubai, edi babalik talaga ako. And at that time, the remote company that I was working for was already in shambles. So I knew exactly that I will not stay long in that company and I have to secure again myself.
Oo, yan naman. Doon naman yung ano.
Na meron akong stability sa company na pinagtatrabahuan ko. And then when I got this offer, when they sent me the final offer, tapos binasa ko, Diyos ko, alam mo yung shout for joy ko. Sabi ko,
Thank you,
thank
Lord.
God, thank you, Lord. Umiyak talaga ako kasi, alam mo, hindi ko pa, like, honestly, thank God, hindi ko pa talaga ni-negotiate yung salary ko, but they have given me more.
That's a
more.
good company. Yeah, that's a good company.
Really? From this company, from the first company, yung salary ko is already 200%
Wow.
from there.
Yeah.
Wow,
I mean, thank God.
congratulations.
I'm
Thank God
saying
for that.
this because
Tara na after nito
no, I'm saying this to
Saan tayo
motivate
after?
our connexes.
Alexis, invited po kayo.
Malapit lang dito Pub Jumeirah.
But this is like an Nexus. This is very inspirational.
Oo.
Inspirational. Kahit ako
It's
natutuwa ako.
possible.
In like first stories,
Yeah.
especially here in Dubai, to people
True.
who's like really struggling, especially like at the beginning of their career here in Dubai. Sobrang nakakalungkot, but then you need to keep going.
Keep going.
Exactly.
Oo.
Also, you have to believe in yourself. You know, sometimes we are
Don't
taken,
stop,
taken back of our own insecurities. But then again, if you just go for what you want and then back yourself up with the right, like for me,
Motivation,
certifications,
mind,
and something that will support your move. It's all possible. Really, I most especially have faith in that you will really achieve that goal.
Right.
And so for me, that was and in terms of income, that was really like how I went from this and
Zero
this
to this.
salary.
Oh.
Yeah, you need to have a very good negotiating skills as well. When you are talking to them, kailangan you also believe in what you're saying.
Yeah.
You know,
Oo.
Is-
He has to come to your core.
Exactly.
Kailangan galing yan sa
Kailangan
Oo.
confident ka
Confident,
na.
oo.
If you want this kind of salary,
You
you,
have to fight for it.
show that
Show and
you
fight for it.
are
Oo.
deserving with this kind of salary.
Hindi lang yung parang labas sa bibig. It has to come from your heart. And how
And
truthful
it's
or
so
how
possible, mga kanaksi.
earnest you
So
are.
possible, really.
True,
Everything
true.
is possible. And then when it comes to lifestyle and all of these kind of things, well, Dubai, as we all know, it's very, very expensive in it. I mean, it's not very, very expensive. The most expensive thing here is rent. So now, as I mentioned earlier, na may tumaas nga yung sahod ko, pero tumaas naman yung
cost of
comfort
living.
ko.
Oo.
So,
Lifestyle, yeah.
Oo. But then again, thank God na hindi naman talaga mahal yung groceries.
Oo, di ba? Nag-ano pa rin, nagba-balance out pa rin
Oo.
di ba? Hindi siya lahat
Buhay
expensive.
na buhay
Oo.
ka pa rin talaga. So when it's all on your own choices. Like
own
you
choices
can dine in a very good restaurant and spend so much, or you just rather have a very, very simple weekend. You know, maraming buffets dito na.
You just have to
dami-daming
have a
buffets.
smart living, di ba?
Exactly.
Smart living.
Yeah.
There's a lot of ways for that, di
Yeah.
ba? If you're really resourceful,
Yes.
try to find YouTube trends right now, like really
Yes.
mga ganyan,
Cheap
di ba?
places,
Cheap
like
places.
very good.
Good
Yes,
quality
exactly.
of food, di ba?
Hello, entertainer.
True.
The
Yes,
Kenneman.
number one. The Kenneman. How about you, Dre? The expenses here in Dubai, how do you manage yourself of budgeting, di ba? You know na expensive talaga ang Dubai, di ba? So, how about you?
I manage it based on my lifestyle naman. I do not grab anything na hindi naman kaya. As you know that.
Yun na nga, oo.
Yes.
True. It's just stick to your lane, di ba? And
Yes.
just do...
Wag magsaserve.
And sabi nga ni Jay-Z na maraming ways to spend.
Alam mo,
Yes.
kailangan ko si Josh dito. Pinagtutulungan niyo akong tatlo. Kailangan ko si Josh. Kasi kami ni Josh talagang, sige lang, go
No,
naman, go.
we're flexible naman. We can go some luxury places naman. But use it
choice to
wisely.
choice to
Right.
It's a choice.
There's a lot of ways to spend that. And yes, I
And be
mentioned
happy,
earlier,
and be happy also.
we can use discounts, entertainer.
Yes.
There's a lot of luxury restaurants in the
make
booklet or
most out of it.
entertainer.
Make mouse of it.
Yes.
Make the mouse out of it.
Make the most of it. Yes, and there's nothing wrong to use it, right?
Yun na nga, like for example,
Yeah.
to cheap fines or let's say mga tong entertainers, miles, you
Ano
get
ka ba? Ang
points
dami
eh.
lang mga chips like for example for grocery may day to day Al Cabayel,
Oo,
may
diba?
mga
Yes.
Grand Barsha, mga ganyan. So
Oo.
there's
Mas
always
last-
something cheap to find
To
here in
balance
Dubai.
out to balance
Exactly.
out things dito sa Dubai, di ba? Yun nga.
Yeah, actually,
Or
our
for example,
Credit card,
naka,
di ba,
naka,
may-
naka LV ka na bag pero Shein yung t-shirt mo, yung mga
Oo,
ganyan.
diba?
They need to balance out. Very hard evangelista lang tayo dito.
Oo,
Okay?
check.
True.
Nasa
Totoo
pagdadala
ba?
naman yan.
Mga ganyan tayo.
That's just how you present yourself naman.
Exactly.
Totoo,
Yes.
sa pagdadala.
Exactly.
Sa pagdadala.
Yun lang naman.
Di ba? Nakakatuwang pakinggan to. I really like this conversation kasi nakakakuha ako sa inyo ng mga technique tsaka strategy. Di ba? Ako kasi napaka-basic
Talaga ba?
lang. Oo. Kasi now alam ko na kung paano kayo mag-budget. So, okay. Yan yung
Parang
ano,
Excel mo yan.
Parang
ko
hindi mo
yan.
alam yan, ha?
Hindi, oo naman. May sarili rin naman kasi akong pag-budget na kwento ko na sa inyo. Di ba? Kung
Very
paano ako
strict yan
mag-budget.
si,
Di ba?
si Siler sa kanyang
Yes,
budgeting.
I know Siler very well. From my
The strict of friend.
course.
So how do you guys, how do you motivate yourself when budget is not enough? How to go about it?
God.
Oo.
Well, ako, sagot ko dyan, kailangan ko i-motivate yung sarili ko kasi marami akong utang.
Okay.
Ang motivation talaga yung bills
Utang,
talaga.
yeah.
Bills,
But
bills,
as your
bills.
current mood with that question,
Wala kang
how do you deal
choice.
with it?
Yeah, for me, I always, like for example, yung mga extra kung mga gigs dyan, I always like motivate myself kasi may utang ako. Alam mo yun? And then at the same time, I'm looking forward to buy something so I need to like push myself. Ganyan. Ganyan
Okay.
ako ka-disiplina in terms of like sa...
So that's part
Sa
of your monthly expenses.
Which one?
Oh, we're talking about
Yung
monthly
ganyan.
or let's say
Yung
after 3
motivation
months
mo.
motivation eh.
Kasi for
Okay.
example, nag-excel ako kasi hindi enough. Like for example, mas mataas ang bills ko kumpara sa
Sa income.
meals ko, di ba? Then therefore, I need to do like yung mga extra sayaw-sayaw dyan sa mga kabaret, ganyan. Mga ganyan, di ba? So,
Kaya pala
extra
nag-extra
kailangan
side.
kong So, kailangan ko tumamba dyan sa kanto. Alam mo yung mga ganyan.
Nagbigay ka rin ng
Saan ang
math massage
tambayan?
cards.
True. Yung mga ganyan, mga extra. So, kailangan,
alam na.
I need to push myself.
Ilang oras ba yan?
Aside from the fact that I'm very hardworking naman din, pero yun nga, kasi I'm living my life. Yun. So, yun
Yes.
yung motivation ko, bills ko.
Bills, how about you, Jay? Anong motivation mo?
Ako, pag alam ko, it's not enough.
Wala, ano na beyond na yun. Oh, di ba? How do you do it?
Honestly, wala kang choice. Di ba? What would you do? Would
Yeah,
you
live
cry?
with it.
Would you cry, really?
Or ano?
Honestly, this is like a question na parang ang hirap kasi as an expat na living in a foreign country. Pag ito, question mo sa isang Pilipino na nasa Pilipinas with their family, it would be a different scenario because they will just say, oh, it's okay because, my family is there. But for us,
Yes.
we don't have a choice. Wala. You have to move forward. You have to be very smart. Cut off some unnecessary expenses.
Be strict
And
about
honestly, like, if you have luxury things and you feel like, okay, I need to really have a budget, you can resell something. Or maybe...
Ito yung ano talaga ha, nag-zero talaga yung account
As
mo ha.
in, yung
Oo.
parang kumbaga,
Tas may
not
utang ka pa
enough
on the side.
talaga. Oo. Like for me, what I did was, I'm in Upwork, this freelance application. So you can put your portfolio there and all, parang kumbaga business consulting and all. Maraming siguro mga very small gigs lang
Oo, on
na
the side,
freelance
racket,
on the side
oo.
na hindi naman masyadong sobra.
Oo.
But then
Just
again,
to get by.
Oo, may something,
oo.
in return.
Para
na
may
ganon.
ano lang,
Oo.
maipuno lang dun
Oo,
sa ano.
oo. Kasi ganun
sa
yung
kulang.
ginawa ko as it's either I resell some of my things or I go to some sites na pwede ako mag-freelance or yung mga feedback input. Minsan nga pinapatos ko pa yung mga survey, right? Yung
okay.
mga $1, $2.
So, uso pala dito yan.
There's just to have this kind of thinking na if there is another way, may iba pang means na if you just really go for zero.
Resourcefulness, di ba?
Oo,
Yun na
as
naman yun eh.
Saka ano,
you have to look for it.
Ipasok ko lang doon, advice ko din is,
Walk the dog. Yung mga walk the dog, di ba? Kung may mga
Oo.
friends ka na ano,
Pet
di ba?
sitting,
pet
pet
sitting,
sitting.
right.
Yeah.
Maraming gumagawa yan. Pero ko advice ko lang din. So for example, pag ganyan, na over the top ako sa expenses ko, advice ko is, be smart din. Like for example, I always prioritize yung mga dapat i-priority ng mga
Oo.
bills
Yan ang una
una.
dapat.
Yan yung unahin nyo. For example, kasi yan yung mga ano yan eh, yung
Monthly
mga
yan eh.
basic. Yan yung mga
Oo,
basic talaga na dapat yung unahin, na dapat ma-secure nyo.
True.
Then the rest, if like for example, may utang kayo sa tao, pwede nyo nang pakausapan yan. Or kung mayroon kayong utang sa bills, pwede yung i-deferred yan. So maraming mga options. So be smart lang din kung nasa situation na kayo na ganyan is, ang may papayo ko lang is be smart in terms of like, kung halimbawa may income kayo tapos hindi sapat, yung income nyo, i-budget nyo in a way na dapat yung mga priority na dapat unahin.
Prioritization.
Unahin.
Yes.
Kung ano yung
Yeah,
ano
so
talaga.
yun yung dapat unahin nyo. Then afterwards, yung mga hindi pa kaya, then yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, mag-extra kayo or somehow pakiusapan nyo, may mga deferred options, may mga
Correct.
ganyan.
Oh, Tabby and Tamara. A
Hindi,
lot.
I mean, like bills na kasi tayo.
Bills, okay, okay,
Tayo.
sorry,
So,
okay.
yan, may mga may mga deferred options. Or kung hindi kaya deferred, pwede naman mag-top up yan next month. So, alam mo yun, next month, mas comfortable ka na. So, yung mga ganyan, mga
Yung
advice.
Tabi, di ba, merong yun, extension of due date.
Yeah, actually, meron na silang
meron na,
ngayon.
meron na ngayon.
Pero may fee, di ba?
Oo. But then again, you will not pay like
Yeah.
larger amount.
Correct.
But what?
Correct.
Okay.
Pero yun na nga, I think the key for that is like you have to be resourceful. Apart from that is know or ask people, call a friend, prioritize. The important thing is prioritize muna kung ano yung importante.
Like
Then
house
second,
mo,
if you
yung
have
stuff.
some like loan from a people, from someone, yan, you can, yun nga, pero pakiusapan, di ba?
Ganyan.
But main
Wala
thing,
namang interest.
Yeah.
Oo.
Or pwede na lang i-interest.
Oo.
Just sa ano na lang din.
ma-prolong
Pero,
lang.
Oo,
Para di ka
exactly.
mahirapan, di ba? Wag lang tayong, alam mo yung umabot sa point na tipong really broke and we cannot find ways of, you know, getting back to those utang or expenses,
Yeah,
di
you
ba?
need to do something about it. Yun yung palaging ihahain natin dyan na don't just let it be na
Yeah.
lumaki na lumaki
And
na
make
lumaki
sure
na lumaki.
that hindi
Hirap
siya magre-repeat the next
exactly.
month. You have to
Cycle,
really, exactly, you have to avoid that you will be in the same
And
position.
lalo na kung itong mga connections nakikinig, lalo na kung marami kayong credit cards.
Yes.
Oh,
Aray.
yeah. So,
Kaya sinera ko na yung
manage it.
isang
Manage it wisely.
Yeah.
Manage it wisely. Use it for something important.
There's nothing wrong having like a lot of credit
Oo,
cards. It's
wala,
just a
walang
matter
masama.
of like how you manage
How
it.
Yes,
Because
yes,
you
yes.
can take advantage of it as well.
Lalo na sa Dubai, they're really gonna be, you know, offering you these kinds of stuff, diba? So be wise,
Be wise.
with that. How about you, Dre? How do you manage if your budget is not enough, and how do you go about it?
Parang hindi ko na-experience yan, Char.
Ay, taray.
Sarap kasi, as I've told you earlier.
Kasi sobra
na-
palagi kay Adrian eh.
Ay,
No,
okay.
na-experience ko na yung
Kay Dre,
zero
no?
balance, di ba?
Ay,
That
Dre,
as I've
sorry.
mentioned earlier. So, sabi ko, I will make sure na hindi na ito mangyayari sa akin. Mangyayari.
Yeah, right?
Na parang
Pero yun na nga,
ganun.
Napaka-arte mo sa mababang paaralan ka lang naman nagtapos.
Well,
Pagkatapos mo
it's
mag-KED.
not based on mababang paaralan.
After tapos mag-KED, diba? Yun na. Pero I mean, kasi si Dre, he's the kind of person na if he's not able to manage it like, you know, mga ganyan, he sticks to his plan.
Yes.
Oo,
and
ganun siya.
if I need to borrow money,
As
then
far as I
I
know.
will definitely do that. Right?
Diba?
Yeah. Even if I'm not zero, kasi may mga let's say may mga upcoming bills ako na auto deduction. So hindi ko naman kailangan let go yun kasi ako magsasuffer later
Oo,
on.
true.
So what I do, I manage it, and if there's still a way, pwede naman. But not to the point na mag-zero ako. Kaya as mentioned earlier, na nung na-zero balance ako dati, I make sure na hindi na talaga mangyayari yun.
So after that, once na nangyari, hindi na talaga nangyari.
No, never na.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
So,
kasi mahirap.
mahirap talaga.
As in. So,
Mahirap talaga lalo dito sa Dubai.
knowing nasa Dubai, oh my God, zero na. Ew.
So yun na nga. So you mentioned earlier about like yun nga, yung parang installment, yung pag nagbayad ka and something like that.
Like you mentioned Tabi, but
Oh,
it's,
Tabi,
it's
oo.
not really it's not really affecting my my savings.
Oo.
Mas napapabuti nga kasi nakaka-save
oo,
ako
kasi
somehow.
installment basis siya.
And at the same time, pag may nakaka-trigger sa akin magpabili, hindi ko siya ginagawa din. Kasi I'm
okay.
thinking about my upcoming bills. Parang
okay.
ganun.
So yun yung ano mo,
Sa
yun yung
Tabi, ang
motivation.
liliit naman ng kaltas lang nun.
Oh, but then pag marami
But it
ka,
depends on your purchases.
pag marami ka,
Ako
kaya
din-
in a month,
Yes.
beses kang bumili,
Oo.
hindi sabay-sabay. So kaltas-kaltas after a
Yes.
few days.
But for
Diba?
me, yung Tabi, hindi ko siya
Baka naman
ginagamit sa
Tabi,
small
ha?
things.
No, even
Oo. Hindi ko
guys,
siya
even
ginagamit.
if my credit card ako, until now hindi ko siya ginagamit.
Oh, yan ang maganda kay Dre. Hindi siya gumagamit ng credit
Hindi
card.
ko pa talaga. Even kaya nakikita ko yung parents yan, oh my God. Kasi sabi nung nalaman ng kapatid ko na may sisi na ako, so do not overspend. Use it
Oo.
only for really
Important.
important. Which is, alam ko naman yun. Kasi
Ako,
I
ang
don't wanna
sisi ko-
suffer.
Ang sisi ko, kung lahat yan, 50,000, 50,000, pera ko ang 50,000 lahat.
Sa akin lahat yan.
Sa akin lahat
And
yan.
will be later.
And it's up to you and how you deal with it.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Ay, mabilis lang naman. Maraming tambayan sa labas, di ba? For a
True.
couple of hours.
True.
Oh, yung mga Connexis, reminder lang po namin, this is just our
Joke
POV, and we
Yes.
just wanted to express our experiences, di ba? We're not here to condone or, to give you or to encourage you, no, nothing like that.
Yes, don't overspend. My goodness.
And also, just to add, like, hindi naman masamang mangutang, but magbayad.
Ay, of course.
Oo, kasi may mga tao kasi...
Napaparinig ka ba sa akin?
No, because
Char lang, char
for
lang.
me, honestly, pag meron akong mga extra expenses na kailangan ko talagang bayaran and I know that I don't have enough money, na nanghihiram ako ng money, but at the same time, binabayaran ko agad the next
Ako, alam mo,
cycle.
I would never ever like ask money for people. I would rather go for my credit card.
Sinara ko na kasi...
Well, it depends on the
Ayokong may
people naman
naabala
kung
ko na
sino
tao
ang
na
anuhin mo.
ganyan. Ha?
It depends
Depende
naman
kung sino
ang
man yung hinihiraman
ina-approach
mo.
mo.
Oo.
Still, I'm so independent na I don't want to bother someone na kahit my sister, my family, ganyan, I don't.
Okay.
I would
Yeah.
rather
But
like
me, I prefer with my friends rather than my
cash
sister.
back.
To each our own naman
Oo,
talaga.
Exactly.
oo. But it's not a bad thing. Like, of course, because let's say for the Connexis, they don't have this maybe kind of personality as well, and maybe they are dependent
Oo,
on some
depende.
people.
Yeah.
It's good. Kailangan magbayad for it to be
Yun yung
healthy.
pinaka-importante,
Oo,
na
ang
marunong ka
pinaka-importante na marunong kayong magbayad.
Exactly.
But
Yes.
for me, I am not encouraging na mangutang. As much as you can, budget it and spend just in your own terms, like in your own incomes.
means.
Means, right?
True.
Go, Siler.
Ako naman, pag ganitong mga sitwasyon na nangyayari na out of budget ako, alam mo yun, of course, ang nangyayari kasi sa akin sa savings na siya
Baka
nakukuha.
mag-text din si Siler pag na-out of budget. Siya text niya ako.
May nag-text.
Mararamdaman mo.
Kamusta ka na,
No,
Besh?
mararamdaman mo yan kung short yan.
Kamusta ka na, Day?
Mararamdaman mo siya.
Kasi manghihingi ng advice yan eh.
Oo, totoo yan. Hindi ako maggaganito kung hindi di ba? Ganun ako. Hingi ako na advice. I ask people who's yun nga, credible enough. So pag deal with money, pag alam ko na marunong ka, magaling ka sa ganyan, magtatanong ako. And yun nga, biktima si dyan,
Hindi naman biktima,
si
so-
Renz. Kasi nga, I felt kasi na parang ako doon, na naglaps ako doon, na hindi ko nagawa yung yung pagiging, alam mo yon, na pagbabudget ko, hindi ko na-handle ng maayos.
Hindi siya nagiging responsible. Ganun yung feeling niya.
As far as I know, you do also your listing, alright?
Yun na nga, pero kasi yun na nga, 'di ba, yun nga yun yung bakit tayo minsan out of budget, 'di ba? So may mga moment na out of budget tayo eh. So pag nangyayari yun, I felt na parang I didn't do the best that I can for
Yeah.
myself, 'di ba? So yun yun.
Well, I
Kaya
think you have to control yourself.
So what encouraged you to go back?
ng pag
Kasi nag-out of di ba? Budget
hindi
ka.
siya nag-go back. Nandyan siya. Ganun pa rin. Basic pa rin ginagawa ko. Nagdilista ako kung ano yung important stuff and then kung ano yung matitira, yun yung gagalawin ko. It's just that may mga biglaan. Mga biglaan na gastos.
Actually, the same with me. Yung may
Diba?
mga, hindi siya gastos na yung parang kumbaga by my own means. Parang,
Oo.
kumbaga, pumapasok na expense
Emergencies.
na necessary. Oo.
Emergencies. Sa mga Pilipinas, ganyan. So someone died. Charing.
Hindi naman
Huwag
ganun.
naman, God
Oo, wala
forbid.
naman
Oo,
ganun, oo.
yung mga importante. And then you'll be like, oh my God, meron pala to. Tapos,
Mas biglang mapapalabas ka ng di ba, ng money.
Malaki.
So malaking amount of money. So yun, doon ako parang na ako, aligagana agad ako niyan. Kasi nga parang di ba, we're talking about it sa Dubai. It's really hard to get broke in Dubai. Alam mo, though you have a lot of friends, but ako kasi ayoko rin kasi ng ganun na tipong
Manghihiram.
kakatok ka na lang at the end of at midnight, sa mga late night, or hindi nakatok magme-message ka na lang, di ba? Ayoko ng
Me too,
ganun,
don't like
di ba? So yun. So ito na nga, pinakahuli natin before we end the podcast. Are you satisfied in the status of your life when it comes to managing your finances at this point of your life?
Si Dre
Oo,
niya.
situation. Dre.
Happy ka ba
Oo.
sa status ng pagbabudgeting mo
mo.
ngayon sa mga
Oo.
income mo?
Oh, yes, yes. I'm happy
Tagalog
naman.
ang puta.
No, kasi hindi ko na nagkanto. Kasi I was
Haba kasi
busy,
ng
I
question.
was busy with my phone. Kaya na po ulit. Ano question?
Explain talaga. Explain talaga. Oh, di ba?
Oh, happy
Oh.
naman ako. And I'm actually looking forward for my trip next year.
Even
Even-
something to look forward.
yes.
Here we
go!
Yan yung mga motivation.
Yes, of course.
And especially this season, it's really a good advantage for us sa work namin. So,
Hospitality.
yeah.
Ay, mukhang maganda-ganda
Marami ang
to.
tip.
Oo. Oh, alam ko na yan. Yung may tawag dyan, di ba? Service chuba.
Service charge.
Oo, service charge, di ba? Yung mga ganon. Kudos to you. And ano lang, ang advice ko talaga no? Ano lang, continue lang sa ganyan. Ako na naman
Baka mag-advise
lahat
ako, alam mo
naman
ng
tayo.
financial advisor.
Alam mo, binayaran mo siya.
No. I'm really happy with what I have right now. And then, tapos, at the same time, parang yung extra, yung mga yung savings ko ngayon, somehow, nakakatulong din sa iba.
That's nice.
Yeah,
Like
that's
an
the best
man.
thing.
Like an man. Kumakatok. Like an man. You're so satisfied ka naman on how you budget your finances ngayon. How about your Renz?
Si Jay muna.
Si Jay. Okay, go.
Ako, based on my Excel sheet.
Ilang table ba yan?
Malaking tulong talaga yung gano'n. Oo. Ako kasi
Alam mo,
babasa rin ako
maganda
sa
sa Excel
listahan.
kasi may formula.
Oo, may
Correct.
formula.
Mm.
Ipag-ilagay
Drag
mo
lang.
lang yung mga... Sa akin ngayon, ang ang row lang na i-add ko, yung extra expenses. So, para
okay.
malaman ko agad kung ano yung sobra.
Enough pa.
Oo.
Hoy, share mo naman yung Excel na
Kasi-
yan, spreadsheet na yan.
Kasi yung fixed cost ko, nakalagay na bahay, car, and all, yung mga kung anong monthly binabayaran ng ganun. So for me, honestly, I'm so blessed, grateful talaga on my current financial situation. And now that I'm back in Dubai, and also...
Welcome back.
Yes,
Welcome back.
thank
Nga
you.
eh.
We're open for invitation.
Yes.
Okay, where to celebrate tonight?
Oh, I will let you know.
Yes, let us know.
The hotspot.
Yeah.
Comment down below.
So yeah, I shared with Zyler earlier that I think my next season now in my finances is really focusing on my investments.
That's nice.
Yeah, to grow more
true.
yung
I want to know
money.
about your investment.
Oo.
Mag-usap tayo mamaya. Sure.
Yeah, kasi I think like it's good to save, but it's good to also save and
Invest.
double your money.
Yeah,
and,
that's
you
true.
know,
That's true.
The bank.
Mga passive income.
Oo.
Yeah.
Business eh. Oo,
Yes,
businesses,
yes,
oo.
that's already my next season.
Next
so,
step.
yeah, I'm happy. I think we really need to be in tune with our season in life para alam din natin paano i-budget and gastusin yung pera natin.
Correct.
Kasi,
Saan pupunta,
oo,
no?
kasi parang in each and every season, our priorities are different, no? Parang kumbaga, ngayon, ang priority mo, number one priority is your family. And then the next time, your number one priority is your investment. Or the next time, maybe your number one priority is yourself. Maybe you want to be like healthier or you want to, put something or I don't know, what do you want to do?
Kung anong mang gusto mo
Oo,
gawin.
something
Dre,
ganun.
put something down.
Oo. Ano ba? Ay.
Parang nalasing ko sa wine, no?
Yun, yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah, that's nice to
Ikaw
hear.
naman, Tyler.
Ako
Parang hindi ka naman last.
Sige nga.
Oo, sige.
Makikinig ako
Oo,
dito.
sagutin ko yan. Hindi. Kasi yun na nga, kaya ako nga sinabi kanina, di ba, this topic is really good and meaningful, lalo na sa mga connections natin, sa mga nakikinig. And also for tayo, sa ating nagsasalita ngayon, this is a good way para malaman ko sa inyo kung ano rin yung, sharing of ideas, strategies, how to manage the money, the budget. Di ba? Kasi nga, baka meron tayong nami-miss out na something na kulang sa pagbabudget natin di ba? And how to live, wisely, smart, di ba? Sa mga natin, finances natin. And that's the reason why this topic is really beneficial and really important, lalo na sa mga ka-OFW natin, worldwide, di ba? And even not naman din sa mga OFW, lalo na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa Pinas, call center, whatever, field yan, this will help. Diba? So, kaya nga ako naman, I would say satisfied naman ako. It's just that may mga moment lang talaga. Kaya nga sinasabi ko kanina, diba, kumakatok ako sa mga kaibigan ko, nanghihingi ng advice, baka meron ako na miss out sa budgeting skills ko. But then, I'm satisfied of the budgeting skills na meron ako. I wanna stick to that. But of course, the only thing na kulang is yung Excel sheet. Baka naman, i-spread ano
Yes.
sa akin. I-share nyo
Siguro
sa akin yung
napakadali
Excel
lang
sheet.
nun.
Hindi ako rin ng formula. Hindi ako rin ng formula ng Excel
YouTube
sheet, diba? Mas ko, mag-YouTube pa ako. Kayo nandiyan naman kayo.
Pero meron ding applications that will help you with
Ay,
that.
talaga?
I think maybe...
Okay, visit ko na lang yun. Oo, visit ko lang
Let's
yun.
Google
oo.
it later.
I'm not
diba?
good in Excel.
diba?
Sorry.
Basic lang yun.
Ako basic lang ako.
Add,
Ayun ko alam.
minus, minus.
Ayun.
Oh my God.
Turuan nyo ako dyan mamaya.
Ayan, dapat
May
I'm
Excel
I'm so
ako.
sorry
Sa
for
mga
Connexis. I'm just being honest.
Diba? Ikaw,
Quick
Ren.
Excel
There's
tips.
nothing wrong with that. I'm just
Oh,
kidding.
Renza.
Well, for me, siguro I'm very satisfied. I'm not perfect in terms of like my budgeting, definitely, but I'm happy in a sense that what I've become here in Dubai. Definitely.
Yes.
Yun lang yung masasabi ko na I'm happy what I've been like doing since the beginning. Like I had a lot of struggles here in Dubai when I started like working here, and then I made the right of choice na yun nga, to invest, to educate more, mga ganyan. And then now is inaani ko na yung fruit of labor ko.
Yes, congratulations.
Yeah.
Oo.
But then
Congrats.
going back sa my budgeting, if I'm happy, well, I'm happy, but then I would never like say that my budgeting is ideal for everyone. Okay, it's not
okay.
ideal for everyone. I cannot like recommend of like my lifestyle and stuff like that. But
Yes.
the way I did it, it's very well recommended. You know, yun lang yung masasabi ko about
100%.
that.
Oo. Diba? Ang
Well, let's be honest with ourselves with
true.
budgeting na. Yes, we like for me, I have an Excel sheet. We can see the numbers, like the definite numbers. Pero sometimes we are also influenced with a lot of factors.
Oo.
Like for example, may mga celebrations, travels, happiness.
Mabiglahan.
Yes,
Factor,
exactly.
your
That's
happiness.
true. I will go for that, and I support that really. Your happiness, especially. I think you've mentioned this earlier, Renzi, that we are working
Burn
so
out,
hard,
yeah.
and we sometimes experience burnt out from our workplaces,
True.
and we tend to lean on to the things that will make us
Makes
happy. Yeah.
And that would lead us for the next topic next episode.
Oh.
So, mga Connexis, lang to, a glimpse of our episode next week.
Topic.
How to heal your inner child.
Oh,
Diba?
yes,
Pakinggan mo
yes,
next
yes,
week.
yes.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, but yes, it also depends on your situation and what's going on with you in that moment. And don't stop yourself to reach that
Goal.
feeling. Yeah, feeling of being happy in that specific moment. Wag mong i-hold back yung self mo just because you feel like, oh, I don't have enough money, or
Or
maybe
your tight budget and stuff
exactly,
like
or
that.
maybe I don't need to touch this amount because
Question.
Yes, question.
Okay, happiness, and you don't have enough money. How will you deal with it?
Well, it's not about
Happiness is not about money.
yeah,
No,
Oh.
sometimes it is.
Yes,
It is,
Pero, I mean,
realistically.
money is a
ba't
factor.
parang galit kayo?
No.
Kasi caught off guarded yung
Ano,
mo,
oo,
first
oo,
question
bigla,
mo.
bigla,
Diba? So, we're here.
Oo, so ano ko lang dyan.
Nagtatanong lang naman.
Money helps to fuel para makuha mo yung happiness mo eh.
Yeah,
Diba?
it's
But
a
not all
tool.
the time. Not all the
Yeah,
time.
it's
Money
a
makes the
tool.
world
Pero
go round,
kasi
sabi nga nila.
this is like, ito, pinag-uusapan natin tayo sa Dubai eh. So, let's say, meron kang nakita and out of budget ka. But of course, you know for yourself that you deserve it. Diba? So, ako, I'll find ways to get that, but I'll give a timeline. Diba?
No, like what
not
I said-
exactly that time,
What I
but
said earlier, be smart.
Oo, be smart.
May tabi.
Strategize, diba?
May tabi, may tamara, may installment ng credit card. So,
the point is, if it's just a once, I think you can let it go, right?
Oh, pag once, I think kung
Even
kaya
if
mo
it makes
naman.
you happy.
Of
Depends
course.
pa rin yan.
Yeah,
in my
definitely.
perspective, when you ask like if you don't have enough money
Yeah.
and you wanted to be happy,
Uh-huh.
it's not about like
Like spending or something,
exactly.
right?
Yes, maybe you don't have enough money, but maybe there is something else that you can do that will make you happy
Like
with that
alternative.
budget. Yes, or with
Yes,
just
okay.
that budget. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that okay, I want a Louis Vuitton. This will make me happy, and I only have 50 dirhams.
Your wallet,
Like,
diba? Oh,
yeah.
totoo.
Well, we
What's
can recommend you a place.
no, be realistic. Be
Be realistic with your
Be
happiness
realistic,
as well.
exactly.
Because you know what, if you will push your idea of that kind of happiness happiness, you will not be
You'll not
happy
be happy,
even more.
exactly.
Maano ka lang,
Mapufrustrate ka
mayaman.
lang, madidepress
You know
ka.
what?
True.
That kind of thinking, it can also help you to motivate yourself
Exactly.
to get it.
Yes. That the
Right?
next time, maybe you can.
Yun ang nga
Yes.
sinabi ko, di ba? Kung kaya mong i-prolong, extend yung ano mo, yung motivation mo to get that, extend it,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
Yun.
And it's more satisfying
correct.
when you go through this kind of process, and then you finally get what you want.
That's
Yeah.
right. Oo.
Oh my God,
Okay,
that's
mga
rewarding.
ka-Nexis,
Yes.
note nyo yan.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yun na nga
Noted.
Sumagot na agad sila, di ba? Noted. Di ba? Di ba? Okay. So, guys, paalala lang po to all our listeners, these are just our POV and experiences. Our sole reason is just to share it to you, and we just wanted to, share our fun, and we would like you to listen to all of this and have a real smile in your face just for a
Yes.
shorter period of time, di ba? And good news, mga Kanexis, we're officially on YouTube!
Yay! Face reveal.
Yes.
Face reveal.
Okay.
Face
Yung
reveal.
face reveal, hintayin nyo po.
Ah, okay.
Hintayin nyo. But follow us, like, share, subscribe, and tick the bell icon to get updated on fresh episodes every week. And don't forget to follow us and tick the bell icon na sa sinabi namin on Spotify din. And please rate us and comment, di ba? Kung meron kayong mga topics na gusto namin ipag-usapan. If you have missed anything or suggest on our topics today. We have our X account, which is OKNext01, TikTok account, which is Nexus7, YouTube, which is OKNext, and other platforms, Amazon Music or Audible, Apple Podcasts. And of course, it's our shout out time! Shout out mga guys.
Shout
Sino
out,
mauna?
shout out.
Sino mauna?
Shout out sa friend ko sa UK, si Kay, who's always listening
Hi,
to your
Kay.
podcast. Yes, Kay! And to my friend Mads, and she's also listening.
Mads. Hi, Mads. Okay. Sino pa? How about
Wait,
you,
wala
Renz?
kang shout out?
Si Jay.
Shout out mo yun.
Shout out mo yan. Di pwedeng hindi.
Oh yes, I remember our friend who's based in Alain, Jen, aka Sarah G.
Hi, Jen.
Baka naman duman ka naman dito sa
Pasyal
Dubai.
ka naman din.
Yes, we miss you.
Camping
Diba?
ka sa bahay.
Oo, di ba? True yan. How about you, Ren? Sinong shout out mo? Ikaw naman, your turn.
Off guard, di ba?
Wala na ako, ano ba?
Ay, greet ko lang yung yung best ko sa US, Michelle. Thank you for listening always.
Hi,
Pagka-atribida mo.
Hi, Shell.
How's the life there?
Pagka-atribida mo sa... Pag nag-message pa sa akin, yung ganitong input, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. Atribidang back lang yan.
Alright. Shell, thank you for
Nasa
the
US na
input,
yan,
ha?
Yeah, exactly. Next time, pag nasa Dubai ka, ay magpamasyal ka dito, i-guest ka na rin dito sa podcast.
Kaya, correct. Oo. We officially invite you to our podcast, Shell. And Shell, not only input,
Michelle.
also output, ha?
Michelle.
Michelle.
Shell, close friend.
Oh, sorry. Michelle, di ba? Michelle.
And then
Oh,
shout
yan.
out to Josh. I
Hi,
miss
Josh.
Josh.
Oh, get well
Hindi
soon,
kami nagkakasama sa
Josh.
podcast.
Hi to Max and
Ah,
hi to to
Milo. And Mooney.
Oh, the Milo.
Mooney. And Taki.
Taki. Yan. And also hi to Barry pala was also listening, di ba? So,
Hi, Barry.
Oh, hi,
Hi,
Barry.
Barry. How
Yes.
are you?
Hi, Barry.
Oh, yeah.
Hope you're doing well.
Yes, of course, is doing well. Okay, so mga ka-shoutout, mga ka-nexus natin dyan, ang saya-saya ng ating episode today.
Parang
so we hope to see
nagkakapisikalan
you.
na dito.
We hope to see
Physical
you
abuse.
on
Grabe
the
yun,
next podcast. So, okay, mga ka-nexis, salamat po.
Thank
and
you.
we all see you on the next
Thank you,
podcast.
bye.
Yes, see you soon. Bye.